I was sent this super clamp camera mount and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's see what you get. So here in the box you get this instruction card. Just shows you how it attaches together and how the 1/4" thread screws attach to the clamp. Gives you a couple other views of it as well, and just ideas for how you can use it to clamp onto a pipe, onto a desk, all kinds of options here. Now, here's the different fittings and attachments they're going to give you. This is the mount for your GoPro cameras. They're going to fit into this. You've probably recognized this triple mount here. And then you've got a 1/4" right here. So kind of handy because you always need more of these for your GoPros, and they give you an extra one to use. And now here's the clamp itself. Really well made. You can just feel the aluminum in here. It's like an aircraft aluminum feel to it. And as I turn the clamp here, it widens up. And the teeth that bite down, they're on swivels as well. These are riveted, so they're not going to come off. And they're flexible. They move around. You've got rubber on the feet here and rubber inside the clamp. So real quick, just a couple turns, and look how wide that'll get extended out. So you find out where you're going to mount it, and just a few turns, you're going to clamp that down, and then it's locked in place. So now with that, get this where you want to put it. You've got some options here. You can take it and use this threaded end here and attach this in. And now you've got another flexible, adjustable mount for where you're going to mount your cameras. So this here, you just loosen this up, and both balls here have flexibility. So once this clamp is in place, now I can do this one in all directions, 360 degrees all the way around, get it to where I want it to be, and just tighten that down with a quick turn, and now I'm locked in place. So I'm going to mount this on one of my bikes and mount the camera up. We'll see how it works. So I got the GoPro with the mount mounted up to the handlebars. As you can see here, it's on there really good. It's not moving. I can move the whole handlebar holding onto the mount. It's nice and stiff. I just cranked it down tight here on this handle and then tightened here. Got it all lined up where I wanted it, and right here to hold onto the action camera. And we're ready to go. That thing is mounted in really good shape.